20 ways to boost the immune system. Immune system boosters. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong. If you're looking for ways to prevent colds, the flu, and other infections, your first step should be a visit to your local grocery store. Plan your meals to include these 15 powerful immune system boosters. An important note: no supplement will cure or prevent disease. With the 2019 coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, it's especially important to understand that no supplement, diet, or other lifestyle modification other than physical distancing, also known as social distancing, and proper hygiene practices can protect you from COVID-19. Currently, no research supports the use of any supplement to protect against COVID-19 specifically. We can increase our immune system to fight against diseases and boost our immune system. Diet and your immune system. Like any fighting force, the immune system army marches on its stomach. Healthy immune system warriors need good, regular nourishment. Scientists have long recognized that people who live in poverty and are malnourished are more vulnerable to infectious diseases. For example, researchers don't know whether any particular dietary factors, such as processed foods or high simple sugar intake, will have adversely affect immune function. There are still relatively few studies of the effects of nutrition on the immune system of humans. There is some evidence that various micronutrient deficiencies, for example, deficiencies of zinc, selenium, iron, copper, folic acid, and vitamins A, B6, C, and E, alter immune responses in animals, as measured in the test tube. However, the impact of these immune system changes on the health of animals is less clear, and the effect of similar deficiencies on the human immune response has yet to be assessed. So, what can you do? If you suspect your diet is not providing you with all your micronutrient needs, maybe, for instance, you don't like vegetables, taking a daily multivitamin and mineral supplement may bring other health benefits, beyond any possibly beneficial effects on the immune system. Taking megadoses of a single vitamin does not. More is not necessarily better. Improve immunity with herbs and supplements. Walk into a store, and you will find bottles of pills and herbal preparations that claim to support immunity, or otherwise boost the health of your immune system. Although some preparations have been found to alter some components of immune function, thus far there is no evidence that they actually bolster immunity to the point where you are better protected against infection and disease. Demonstrating whether an herb, or any substance, for that matter, can enhance immunity is, as yet, a highly complicated matter. Scientists don't know, for example, whether an herb that seems to raise the levels of antibodies in the blood is actually doing anything beneficial for overall immunity. 1. Citrus fruits. Most people turn straight to vitamin C after they've caught a cold. That's because it helps build up your immune system. Vitamin C is thought to increase the production of white blood cells, which are key to fighting infections. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C. With such a variety to choose from, it's easy to add a squeeze of this vitamin to any meal. Popular citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, clementines, tangerines, lemons, limes. Because your body doesn't produce or store it, you need daily vitamin C for continued health. The recommended daily amount trusted source for most adults is 75 milligrams for women, 90 milligrams for men. If you opt for supplements, avoid taking more than 2,000 milligrams a day. Also keep in mind that while vitamin C might help you recover from a cold quicker, there's no evidence yet that it's effective against the new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2. 2. Red bell peppers. If you think citrus fruits have the most vitamin C of any fruit or vegetable, think again. Ounce for ounce, red bell peppers contain almost 3 times as much vitamin C, 127 milligrams from trusted source, as a Florida orange, 45 milligrams trusted source. They're also a rich source of beta-carotene. Besides boosting your immune system, vitamin C may help you maintain healthy skin. Beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is supercharged with vitamins and minerals. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and many other antioxidants, broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables you can put in your plate. The key to keeping its power intact is to cook it as little as possible, or better yet, not at all. Research trusted source has shown that steaming is the best way to keep more nutrients in the food. 4. Garlic. Garlic is found in almost every cuisine in the world. It adds a little zing to food and it's a must-have for your health. Early civilizations recognized its value in fighting infections. Garlic may also slow down hardening of the arteries, and there's weak evidence that it helps lower blood pressure. 1a. Garlic's immune-boosting properties seem to come from a heavy concentration of sulfur-containing compounds, such as allicin. 5. Ginger. Ginger is another ingredient many turn to after getting sick. Ginger may help decrease inflammation, which can help reduce a sore throat and inflammatory illnesses. Ginger may help with nausea as well. While it's used in many sweet desserts, ginger packs some heat in the form of gingerol, a relative of capsaicin. Ginger may also decrease chronic pain. Trusted source and might even possess cholesterol-lowering properties. Trusted source. 6. Spinach. Spinach made our list not just because it's rich in vitamin C, it's also packed with numerous antioxidants and beta-carotene, which may both increase the infection-fighting ability of our immune systems. Similar to broccoli, spinach is healthiest when it's cooked as little as possible so that it retains its nutrients. However, light cooking makes it easier to absorb the vitamin A and allows other nutrients to be released from oxalic acid, an antinutrient. 7. Yogurt. Look for yogurts that have the phrase, live and active cultures, printed on the label, like Greek yogurt. These cultures may stimulate your immune system to help fight diseases. Try to get plain yogurts rather than the kind that are flavored and loaded with sugar. You can sweeten plain yogurt yourself with healthy fruits and a drizzle of honey instead. Yogurt can also be a great source of vitamin D, so try to select brands fortified with this vitamin. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defenses against diseases. Clinical trials are even in the works to study its possible effects on COVID-19. 8. Almonds. When it comes to preventing and fighting off colds, vitamin E tends to take a backseat to vitamin C. However, this powerful antioxidant is key to a healthy immune system. It's a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it requires the presence of fat to be absorbed properly. Nuts, such as almonds, are packed with the vitamin and also have healthy fats. Adults only need about 15 milligrams. Trusted source of vitamin E each day. A half-cup serving of almonds, which is about 46 whole, shelled almonds, provides around 100% trusted source of the recommended daily amount. 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients, including phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamins B6 and E. Vitamin E is important in regulating and maintaining immune system function. Other foods with high amounts of vitamin E include avocados and dark leafy greens. Sunflower seeds are also incredibly high in selenium. Just 1 ounce contains nearly half trusted source the selenium that the average adult needs daily. A variety of studies, mostly performed on animals, have looked at its potential to combat viral infections such as swine flu H1N1. 10. Turmeric. You may know turmeric is a key ingredient in many curries. This bright yellow, bitter spice has also been used for years as an anti-inflammatory in treating both osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Research. Trusted source shows that high concentrations of curcumin, which gives turmeric its distinctive color, can help decrease exercise-induced muscle damage. Curcumin has promise as an immune booster based on findings from animal studies and an antiviral. More research is needed. 11. Green tea. Both green and black teas are packed with flavonoids, a type of antioxidant. Where green tea really excels is in its levels of epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, another powerful antioxidant. In studies, EGCG has been shown to enhance immune function. The fermentation process black tea goes through destroys a lot of the EGCG. Green tea, on the other hand, is steamed and not fermented, so the EGCG is preserved. Green tea is also a good source of the amino acid L-theanine. L-theanine may aid in the production of germ-fighting compounds in your T cells. 12. Papaya. Papaya is another fruit loaded with vitamin C. You can find double trusted source the daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single medium fruit. Papayas also have a digestive enzyme called papain that has anti-inflammatory effects. Papayas have decent amounts of potassium, magnesium, and folate, all of which are beneficial to your overall health. 13. Kiwi. Like papayas, kiwis are naturally full of a ton of essential nutrients, including folate, potassium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts the white blood cells to fight infection, while kiwi's other nutrients keep the rest of your body functioning properly. 14. Dark chocolates. Contrary to popular belief, chocolates are not always harmful, especially when they are consumed in controlled quantity. While it is a known fact that dark chocolates help you fight a common cold, they also contain considerable amounts of theobromine, a potent antioxidant that cut off coughing. A study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology reveals that the component helps relieve coughing, especially in people suffering from bronchitis. 15. Poultry. When you're sick and you reach for chicken soup, it's more than just the placebo effect that makes you feel better. The soup may help lower inflammation, which could improve symptoms of a cold. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, is high in vitamin B6. About 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat contains nearly 1/3 trusted source of your daily recommended amount of B6. Vitamin B6 is an important player in many of the chemical reactions that happen in the body. It's also vital to the formation of new and healthy red blood cells. Stock or broth made by boiling chicken bones contains gelatin, chondroitin, and other nutrients helpful for gut healing and immunity. 16. Extra virgin olive oil. Certain oils help restore the lost immunity in humans. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition reveals that extra virgin olive oil contains polyunsaturated fatty acids that serve as the best anti-inflammatory agent. Moreover, the acids also boost the immune system to make it stronger. 17. Eggs. Eggs are loaded with vitamin D, and especially the yolks are packed with immune-boosting agents or nutrients. Vitamin D, too, is crucial to strengthen the immune system. Daily servings of vitamin D during winters boost immunity in individuals, and they were less likely to catch a common cold as compared to their counterparts who did not receive it. That said, especially for respiratory tract immunity, eggs are proven to the best immune boosters. 18. Holy basil, Tulsi. Holy basil is a herb favored by hundreds of thousands of folk medicine practitioners around the world. Its aromatic leaves contain excellent germicidal properties as they have phytochemicals and natural antioxidants. Experts recommend chewing basil leaves after cleaning them or make a decoction to improve immunity. 19. Black cumin. The cumin seed's powerful aromatic oil contains antioxidants that help flush free radicals from the blood, making it pure and capable of fighting infections. Ayurvedic practitioners recommend consuming cumin seeds and include them in a daily diet to increase immunity. 20. Shellfish. Shellfish isn't what jumps to mind for many who are trying to boost their immune system, but some types of shellfish are packed with zinc. Zinc doesn't get as much attention as many other vitamins and minerals, but our bodies need it so that our immune cells can function as intended. Varieties of shellfish that are high in zinc include oysters, crab, lobster, mussels. Keep in mind that you don't want to have more than the daily recommended amount. Trusted source of zinc in your diet. 11 mg for adult men, 8 mg for most adult women. Too much zinc can actually inhibit immune system function. More ways to prevent infections. Variety is the key to proper nutrition. Eating just one of these foods won't be enough to help fight off the flu or other infections, even if you eat it constantly. Pay attention to serving sizes and recommended daily intake so that you don't get too much of a single vitamin and too little of others. Eating right is a great start, and there are other things you can do to protect you and your family from the flu, cold, and other illnesses. Start with these flu prevention basics and then read these 7 tips for flu-proofing your home. Perhaps most importantly, get your annual flu vaccine to protect yourself and others. How to boost your immune system. How can you improve your immune system? On the whole, your immune system does a remarkable job of defending you against disease-causing microorganisms. But sometimes it fails. A germ invades successfully and makes you sick. Is it possible to intervene in this process and boost your immune system? What if you improve your diet? Take certain vitamins or herbal preparations. Make other lifestyle changes in the hope of producing a near-perfect immune response. What can you do to boost your immune system? The idea of boosting your immunity is enticing, but the ability to do so has proved elusive for several reasons. The immune system is precisely that, a system, not a single entity. To function well, it requires balance and harmony. There is still much that researchers don't know about the intricacies and interconnectedness of the immune response. For now, there are no scientifically proven direct links between lifestyle and enhanced immune function. But that doesn't mean the effects of lifestyle on the immune system aren't intriguing and shouldn't be studied. Researchers are exploring the effects of diet, exercise, age, psychological stress, and other factors on the immune response, both in animals and in humans. In the meantime, general healthy living strategies make sense since they likely help immune function and they come with other proven health benefits. Healthy ways to strengthen your immune system. Your first line of defense is to choose a healthy lifestyle. Following general good health guidelines is the single best step you can take toward naturally keeping your immune system working properly. Every part of your body, including your immune system, functions better when protected from environmental assaults and bolstered by healthy living strategies such as these. Don't smoke. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables. Exercise regularly. Maintain a healthy weight. If you drink alcohol, drink only in moderation. Get adequate sleep. Take steps to avoid infection, such as washing your hands frequently and cooking meats thoroughly. Try to minimize stress. Keep current with all recommended vaccines. Vaccines prime your immune system to fight off infections before they take hold in your body. Increase immunity the healthy way. Many products on store shelves claim to boost or support immunity. But the concept of boosting immunity actually makes little sense scientifically. In fact, boosting the number of cells in your body, immune cells or others, is not necessarily a good thing. For example, athletes who engage in blood doping, pumping blood into their systems to boost their number of blood cells and enhance their performance, run the risk of strokes. Attempting to boost the cells of your immune system is especially complicated because there are so many different kinds of cells in the immune system that respond to so many different microbes in so many ways. Which cells should you boost, and to what number? So far, scientists do not know the answer. What is known is that the body is continually generating immune cells. Certainly, it produces many more lymphocytes than it can possibly use. The extra cells remove themselves through a natural process of cell death called apoptosis, some before they see any action, some after the battle is won. No one knows how many cells or what the best mix of cells the immune system needs to function at its optimum level. Immune system and age. As we age, our immune response capability becomes reduced, which in turn contributes to more infections and more cancer. As life expectancy in developed countries has increased, so too has the incidence of age-related conditions. While some people age healthily, the conclusion of many studies is that, compared with younger people, the elderly are more likely to contract infectious diseases and, even more importantly, more likely to die from them. Respiratory infections, including influenza, the COVID-19 virus and particularly pneumonia are a leading cause of death in people over 65 worldwide. No one knows for sure why this happens, but some scientists observe that this increased risk correlates with a decrease in T cells, possibly from the thymus atrophying with age and producing fewer T cells to fight off infection. Whether this decrease in thymus function explains the drop in T cells or whether other changes play a role is not fully understood. Others are interested in whether the bone marrow becomes less efficient at producing the stem cells that give rise to the cells of the immune system. A reduction in immune response to infections has been demonstrated by older people's response to vaccines. For example, studies of influenza vaccines have shown that for people over age 65, the vaccine is less effective compared to healthy children over age 2. But despite the reduction in efficacy, vaccinations for influenza and pneumonia have significantly lowered the rates of sickness and death in older people when compared with no vaccination. There appears to be a connection between nutrition and immunity in the elderly. A form of malnutrition that is surprisingly common even in affluent countries is known as micronutrient malnutrition. Micronutrient malnutrition, in which a person is deficient in some essential vitamins and trace minerals that are obtained from or supplemented by diet, can happen in the elderly. Older people tend to eat less and often have less variety in their diets. One important question is whether dietary supplements may help older people maintain a healthier immune system. Older people should discuss this question with their doctor. Exercise. Good for immunity. Regular exercise is one of the pillars of healthy living. It improves cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, helps control body weight, and protects against a variety of diseases. But does it help to boost your immune system naturally and keep it healthy? Just like a healthy diet, exercise can contribute to general good health and therefore to a healthy immune system. Friends, in this video we have told you in detail about how to boost immunity with the help of which you can easily make decisions related to its use. Stay healthy, stay fit. All of you beloved are requested to like our video, subscribe our channel and inspire us. Please, like and subscribe. Thank you.